Taurus. This is a Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Taurus? Kamusta mga desisyon sa buhay? May bago ba? Let's see kung anong energy ng mga Taurus. Tingnan natin ang guidance. Alright? Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. Let's see. Let's see kung anong meron. Let's see kung anong bago. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of June. Let's see. Ingat sa mga scammers. If in doubt, PM me first. Alright? Taurus. Ang crystals natin, nakasale pa rin. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Okay, Taurus. Stalking, trying to learn, trying to find the truth sa situation. Okay? Walang tiwala. Because walang tiwala, walang nagbibigay ng full effort, at dahil walang nagbibigay ng full effort, hindi ko maramdaman ang stability ng relationship na to. Pero may valid reason naman because I can see na may mga dishonest energy here, walang transparency. Kaya pareho kayo, you both try to detach your energy na sa isa't isa. The very conflicting energy, ideally gusto nyo magstay together, but because of the trust issue, sabi nyo medyo kailangan mo nang mag-detach. Okay? This is a Taurus energy, the Hierophant, very passionate energy. I feel this is a young connection or parang hindi pa ganun kayo kasigurado sa isa't isa because may energy of going towards commitment and stability ba to? Or is this just about passion? At nagpapakiramdaman kayong dalawa kung ano ba talaga. Kumbaga, I feel na parang both sides ay nagpapakiramdaman sino ba yung unang magdadrop ng question about long-term plans ng relationship na to. Because kung wala, the other party is just, both of you are just waiting. Ngayon, kung hindi magtatanong at mauuna yung the other person, walang mangyayari. Naghihintayan kayo kung sino yung unang, parang is this a battle of ego na parang, ay hindi ako yung unang magtatanong. Especially, dapat kasi sa mga ganitong issue, lalaki yung unang nagpo-propose ng long term sa relationship because hindi dapat sa feminine galing ang question kung saan ba to papunta. Okay? Because of that, may energy of like hindi maramdaman yung stability sa relationship but trying to avoid conflict. And because of that, I feel mas nag-focus kayo sa trabaho para kumbaga ma-redirect lang yung energy or attention. Happiness nyo naman yung isa't isa, but it feels like kahit happiness nyo yung isa't isa, kung hindi naman kayo aligned for partnership na what you're ready for, I feel bibitiwan nyo tong connection na to. Nagkaroon ng decision na wag mo nang i-fix yung situation na to, though may energy of gusto nyo naman, pero walang gustong kumilos. Nagpapakiramdaman. May ego ba na parang hindi ikaw dapat ang unang magtanong? Okay? Because of that, sabi ng feminine, lalayo mo na siya because of the flakiness of this connection. Before, I feel, nagkaroon na rin ng conversation dito at nagkaroon ng broken heart, energy, or disappointment. Okay? May nararamdaman din akong dalawang female energy here. So, if the masculine in this connection is dealing with two, you lose both feminine because of your energy na hindi mo kayang mamili. That's not a very Taurus energy. Though alam ko ang mga Taurus, mabagal pumili. Pero pag nakapili na yan, nandyan na yung commitment. But with this energy, it feels like may nawala ng past connection yung masculine because sa sobrang tagal mag-decide, sobrang sigurista, and now, inuulit na naman niya tong pagiging sobrang sigurista energy na to. Okay? You might be dealing with Libra, Gemini, Leo, Taurus. There. Okay, let's see kung mababago pa o kung may iba pang energy sa connection na to. To balance your heart chakra, to heal your emotions, and Madagascar rose quartz, the pink crystal, emotional healing, and to balance the heart chakra. Okay, mental clarity, amethyst crystal. So, There's an energy here na nakita nyo naman ng bawat isa na parang, uy, pwede, pasok sa standards, wish fulfillment. Nakita nyo yung bawat isa na ito ay long term. But I don't know kung ano yung naging blockage because it feels like hindi kayang mag-commit ng buo. But hindi naman tapos ang connection na to. Okay? And I feel for some of you, kaya rin hindi sobrang makapag-commit sa connection na to is because alam mo yun, maisip mo palang pag-commitment, saan susunod, engagement, kasal, to live in together, maramdaman mo palang yung ganong energy na maraming responsibilities na nakatali, no? Sa ganong klaseng committed connection, parang hindi naman talaga ready. And I feel you're just being honest kung saan ka ready for now. Okay? Recent past, marami kang gustong i-achieve sa buhay mo, at doon mo binibigay yung full attention with the star card. Meron ka rin na parang ramdam mo na tama yung direksyon na pinupuntahan mo right now. Okay? May prayers and manifestations here na pag-isipang mabuti kung ano yung mga dapat mong sabihin sa person mo at tama ba talagang mag-usap na right now. Okay? So, you might be also dealing with a Sagittarius. Aqua. Okay. So, trying to be patient with you and your person because marami kang gustong maintindihan about this relationship. Meron pa rin ako nararamdamang dishonest energy here. Okay? So, Judgment card. Your person is just also playing it safe, doing what's right, doing what they feel that's right for the relationship. Iniisip niya, committed ka ba? Or tinututay mo siya? Or meron ka pa bang hang up? Or meron ka bang ine-entertain pa na iba? Okay? So, kailangan magkaroon ng clarity. I feel, no, nararamdaman ng person ng mga Taurus na hindi naman fully committed yung Taurus eh. Hindi pa, iniisip niya kaya siguro hindi ka makapag-commit kasi meron ka pang hang up or meron kang kinukonsider na iba. Okay? Iniisip niya meron ka pang ibang love or passionate interest. May fear and doubt here kung tama ba talagang magstay sa connection na to or bitiwan na. Until the end, maganda to. Until the end of August, I feel merong Wheel of Fortune energy. May magandang blessing na darating sa'yo kung ano man yung minamanifest mo, business or love. Let's see. Hindi lahat mabibigay. Okay? But may magandang swerte para sa'yo. But may isang chapter or may isang compartment ng buhay mo na parang it feels disappointing for you. But maaaring maging energy of like blessing in disguise. Mas mabuti nang alam mo, kahit masakit for you, at least alam mo na yung lesson and alam mo na yung next move. Okay? Until the end of August, there's an energy of sabi ng masculine, gusto naman niya yung feminine. But may mga habits and ways of dating or being in a relationship tong masculine na parang sa kanya wala namang mali. Kahit the feminine is trying to like i-address yung situation. Parang may stubborn energy, very Taurus, no? Walang mali, wala siyang babaguhin. So, may magandang swerte sa trabaho, kabuhayan. Subukan mo kayong tumaya sa loto. And encourage. Okay, yeah, very stubborn. Sabi ng masculine, alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. Alam niya what he's ready for. Alam niya kung ready na siya. At magte-take lang daw siya ng action kapag sigurado na siya. Okay? And so, sa side ng feminine, kung hindi ready yung masculine, just manage your expectations. At nasa iyo yan kung maghihintay ka or i-let go mo muna tong connection na to. If maging ready na yung masculine in the next months or kung kailan man, ikaw nang bahala kung ready ka at gusto mo pa rin siya. Alright? Kesa naghantay ng hantay because sabi ng masculine, hindi rin naman siya matitinag. Because gusto niya talagang maging sigurado. Okay? To protect your energy and to shoo away evil eye and and to ground your energies, Madagascar Black Tourmaline. Financial manifestation, Brazilian citrine. PM lang sa mga crystals at kung paano magkaroon ng high quality, blessed, cleanse, and ritualized na crystals. And of course, for your personal reading. For now, wala ako masyadong makitang good news sa reading ng mga Taurus. This is like a waiting game. Sino yung unang mag-express na ready na siya? And mahirap to ng pakiramdaman, alright? Let's see sa ating bonus reading. Bye-bye, Taurus!